Students, today will be learning about friction welding process. Friction welding process is a solid state welding process in which the joint is produced by the heat obtained from the mechanically induced sliding motion or relative motion between two rubbing surfaces. In this process, the work parts or work pieces which are to be joined are held together under pressure. In this welding process, the conventional drive such as an electric or hydraulic motor is utilized to give motion to the parts which are to be joined. Now we can see the fixture or the setup which is used to carry out friction welding. Here we can see there is a headstock in which there is a chuck. In this chuck we hold one of the work pieces which rotates, and in the other fixed part, other end fixed part is held in the fixture, and both the parts are held in axial alignment. See, this is one of the workpiece and this is one of the workpiece. One is stationary and another is rotating. When the welding is done, this rotary part is made to, by switching on the current, is made to rotate, and this fixed part is brought near to the rotating part, and the pressure is applied and maintained in contact for certain period of time till the time sufficient heat is generated at the interface. And when sufficient heat is generated at the interface, the brake is applied on the rotating part and the excessive pressure is applied on the fixed part, and the pressure is maintained for certain period of time, and then joint is made. So you can see these all steps. First, the movable part is rotated and the fixed part is brought near to the rotated part, and therefore what happens, because of the rubbing action at the interface of the two parts, if any dust, dirt or rust is there, that will be removed out because pressure is applied at the fixed part. And when sufficient heat is generated at the interface, the brake is applied to the moving part and the pressure is increased on the fixed part, and therefore plastic deformation or plastic welding takes place at the interface because sufficient temperature was generated at the interface and this joint is made. This process is generally used to join dissimilar metals, and one of the example of friction welding process is the joining of bit of twist drill to the its shank and the valves of IC engine. So this is a very good process in which a very strong and clean joints are made. So this was all about friction welding.